Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Firefox search engine from Bing to Google or any one of the number of search engines that are included such as DuckDuckGo, Amazon, eBay, and so forth. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window. Just go ahead and left click on that and then go down and select settings. On the left side, select the search button, and then on the right side underneath default search engine, this is your default search engine in the address bar and search bar. You can switch it at any time. Click on the drop down here and we're going to set it to Google. But like I said, you can select a different search engine if you choose to do so. But you can see we've now changed it to Google in here, and that is our default search engine. You may have to restart the browser as well. I do believe the change takes effect immediately though, but regardless, I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.